Okay, so our first construction on the review is the construction of a perpendicular bisector. So to do a perpendicular bisector, all you need to do is basically we're going to be cutting this line in half through a line that's perpendicular to that given line. So what we need to do that is first we got to find the center of that line. So to find the center, what we're going to do is we're going to put our compass on one end of the line. So put that center right there. Now, my compass is a little different than yours, but same basic concept. And then what you want to do is you want to find a hole in your compass that goes past that halfway point. So I'm going to go about there. This point is now definitely closer to that end point than this end point. Let's actually go just a little bit further to make sure. We'll go to 240. That sounds good. Oops. So, 244, even better. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to draw an arc from that end. So we're just going to take this and draw this big arc here. Computer's running a little slow. Alright, so we got that arc. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our compass and we're going to take that center and we're going to put it over on this endpoint. So move from one endpoint to the other. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw that same arc. Look how my angle's still the same, that 242. You guys would just use the same hole on your compass. And then we're going to draw an arc above and below here. So we got those two arcs. Now if you notice, these two arcs intersect at 2 points. They intersect here and they intersect here. So if I was to take a line and draw a line that goes through both that point and that point, now I'm going to have to adjust my line a little bit here. But if I take a line to do that, then what I should get is a line that is the perpendicular bisector of my given line. So what that means is, not only does this line cut the line segment into two equal parts, it also makes a right angle when it intersects. So that line there is my perpendicular bisector. That's all there is, 3 steps. Draw your two arcs, draw the line that connects those two intersecting arcs. And that's it, that's your perpendicular bisector.